Hello everyone, welcome to our channel again. Today is our fifth video and we'll move on to do the fractions. Okay, and this is the last fraction video, which is about some calculations about the fractions. Okay, let's quickly move on to the first question. Okay, so first question, the question says Vera cut a round pizza, so it's a circle, right, into 10 equal slices. She eat 1/5 of the pizza. Okay, so this one is very important of the what, correct? It's 1/5 of the pizza. So which one? Here is the 10 equal pieces, so this means it's 1/5 of the 10 equal pieces. Okay, and then Peter eat twice as many slices as Vera. So here I must calculate how many pieces Vera has eat. Then Peter is twice, so Peter multiply by 2. So in the end, we can calculate what fraction of the pizza did they eat altogether. Okay, so let's see how we do this question. First, I need to calculate Vera eat how many slices, right? So when I do this one, 1/5, but the total is 10 equal pieces. You eat 1/5 of the total. So first I make the denominator 5 into 10. Okay, so which is multiplied by 2 for the numerator and denominator. So Vera eat 1/5. In another word, we can say is eat 2/10. So that's why Vera we know it's eat 2 pieces. So Peter is 2 times of 2 pieces. So Peter is 2 times 2 is 4 pieces. Okay, so in the end, we can have the fraction. This fraction is of the pizza. So it's still of the 10 equal pieces. Okay, so the denominator is 10 and it's a fraction of the eat altogether. So the eat altogether is 2 and 4. So it's 6/10. So we do the simplify. We can have the answer is 3/5. Okay, hope you can get this question correct. Then we move on to the next question. You may pause the video, have a try, since we already learned the first one, right? Okay, so you can try to do this one first. Okay, so now let's move on to calculate the question. The question says, Lucas bought a pie. He gave 5/16 of the pie, so of the whole thing to Benny. He gave 3/8 of the pie, again, of the total, right? 3/8 of the total to Cindy. And then he gave 1/4 of the pie to Dennis. In the end, he kept the remaining. Okay, so the question asking, who has the largest piece, the largest fraction of the pie? Okay, so how we solve this question? We solve this question is actually we need to compare all of these fraction, correct? So we compare the fraction, the most easier way is we make the denominator to be the same, correct? So that's why we make the denominator, which in this question is the actually means the pie, the total number of pieces in this pie. So we make it into the same means we make it into the lowest common multiple. Okay, so we find the lowest common multiple of 16, 8, 4. Very easily we know it's 16. So Ben we don't need to change. Ben is just 5/16. And Cindy is 3/8. So we multiply by 2 for the numerator and denominator, turn to 6/16. And for Dennis, because the denominator is only 4, so numerator, denominator, we all multiply by 4. So this is 4/16. Then how about Lucas? Lucas is the remaining, correct? He kept the remaining. So it's 1 minus 3 fractions above. So we have 1/16. So now you can compare the fraction. It's very easy to check because it's all total of 16 pieces. So the larger the numerator means the larger the fraction, correct? So which one is the largest? D, correct? Okay, so done already. We can choose option C for this question. Okay, hope you can get it correct. And let's move on. The last question. Please have a try again. Okay, so for this question, let's read the question. I ate 1/4 of the pizza on Monday. So this is of the pizza, of the whole thing, right? And the key point for this question is the next sentence. I ate 1/3 of the what? Of the remaining pizza. Okay, so this one is very important. It's not the whole thing, it's the remaining already. So if you can understand the remaining, so this question should be no problem for you. Right? Okay, so let's see the solution for this question. So again, from this first fraction 1/4, okay, so we can get that this 4 means the pizza was cut into 4 equal pieces, and on Monday I only eat 1 piece, correct? Okay, so from this 1/4, we assume it cut into 4 pieces, right? Like this. And on Monday, I just eat 1 piece. So this is what I eat. Then left is how many pieces? Left is 3 pieces. And these 3 pieces, Tuesday, I eat 1/3. So means the remaining total is 3, and I only eat 1 out of that. So remaining on Tuesday, I eat 1 piece again. So this is another piece I eat. Okay, so in the end, very easily we can find this is 4 minus 1 minus 1. We left with 2 pieces. Okay, so now we need to find the fraction of the pizza that do I left. So this is of the whole thing of the pizza, right? So the 2 pizzas, we must out of the 4, the total, find the answer. Okay, so the total is 2 over 4, and which we can simplify to half, 1 over 2. So the correct answer is C for this question. Okay, so from this 3 example, we can find out that in the GP Maths round 1, so this calculation of the fraction, normally they won't test very difficult. So most important is to understand of the what is of the total, like this question of the pizza or of the remaining. Okay, so understand the meaning of the fractions, so should be okay for everyone. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.